Welcome back to Cars View channel, car enthusiasts. If you're a fan of futuristic tech, jaw-dropping performance, and mind-blowing innovation, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the 2025 Tesla Model X, the electric SUV that's not just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. So what's new for 2025? Let's find out. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Tesla Model X still retains that signature Tesla look, but with some exciting updates. The front is dominated by Tesla's iconic, minimalist grille-less design, all smooth curves, and sharp lines that scream futuristic. And those headlights? Sleek, angular, and they've been redesigned with an even more aggressive edge. It's almost as if the Model X is ready to take off into the future at any moment. The front bumper has been reworked for improved aerodynamics, enhancing efficiency at high speeds. Moving to the sides, Tesla keeps that signature falcon wing door design, which never fails to impress. These double-hinge doors open upward, allowing you to effortlessly step in even in tight parking spaces. And, believe me, this is a feature that never gets old. Step inside, and you're greeted with one of the most futuristic cabins on the market. The 2025 Model X has taken the already impressive interior to a whole new level. First off, the massive 17-inch touchscreen in the center is the focal point, running Tesla's latest software, with a seamless interface and ultra-responsive controls. No more buttons. It's all about touch, voice commands, and smart technology. Now, let's talk performance. And with Tesla, it's always impressive. The 2025 Model X comes with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, making it an absolute powerhouse on the road. It's capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. This family SUV is faster than most sports cars. Thanks to Tesla's improved battery technology, the 2025 Model X offers an incredible range of over 370 miles on a single charge, depending on the configuration. Plus, with supercharger capabilities, you can juice up your battery in just 30 minutes for up to 200 miles of range, perfect for those long road trips. So there you have it, the 2025 Tesla Model X is a marvel of modern engineering, blending cutting-edge tech, incredible performance, and luxurious design into one unforgettable SUV. If you want a taste of the future today, this might just be your dream ride. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and drop a comment below. What do you think of the 2025 Tesla Model X? Is it the future of SUVs, or does it have room for improvement? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep driving into the future.